I'm almost 30 years old, and one of my biggest fears is eyeshadow. It's truly one of those things you're really good at or you're really not that good at. And I wouldn't say I'm bad, but whenever I have a night out like tonight, I kind of panic when it comes to my eyeshadow. But if you're a beginner, welcome. This is what I do for a summer night out. I just go with like a light brown and add that to my lid. I just got Botox, so I feel like I have more eyelid again. My whole forehead is like, whoop. And I truly I feel like I have more eyelid again. And then I'm going in with the sparkly one. This one is called Smog. It's a bit darker. It gives nighttime and hopefully makes a boy want to flirt with me. See, this is where the panic comes in. So I just literally dab this one onto my eyelid. Woo! See how pretty the color is though? And then I just blend it out. And almost kind of give like a cat eye shape because I'm going to add some eyeliner. See how I'm bringing it kind of up like that for a cat eye. I caught up the other eye. With the same color, I'm just going to take a smaller brush and go on the bottom lash all the way down. I know some people stop halfway through, but I go all the way. And then I'm just going to blend out anything that doesn't look nice and soft and blended. I was going to do eyeliner, but I've decided this is dark enough for me. I don't even wear mascara these days, so we're just gonna go with this darker eye and add some mascara. I'm not big on falsies personally. I like that like Parisian no makeup look and then like whip out some eyeshadow on the weekend. So that's the eyes. A little bit more sultry, a little bit darker. Add a bit of lip oil. And that is basically my going out makeup. I just need to mattify a little bit and do my hair. But yeah, if you're afraid of eyeshadow, I'm with you. And I kind of like this look for a summer night out. Bye.